Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the TV's networking capability and the essentials: SSID, password, and frequency band. Once done, power the TV and router, then put the remote in hand. On the TV, open Settings and go to Network or Connections. Choose Wireless. Now scan for available SSIDs. This finds your router. If your SSID is hidden, select Add Network and type it exactly. Make sure to use the correct band, too. 4 GHz reaches farther. 5 GHz is faster. Next, select the discovered SSID and enter the password using the on-screen keyboard. Double-check case and symbols. Then choose IP settings. DHCP is easiest because the router assigns addresses. Only use static IP when you know the network details. After the connection completes, follow prompts to allow app and firmware updates. These can fix streaming compatibility. Test a built-in app to verify connectivity. If prompted, sign into your streaming or account services. This links apps to your home. Finish by running the TV's network test to confirm signal strength, latency, and speed. If streaming stutters, reboot the router and the TV. This clears many temporary issues. Make sure the router firmware and TV software are up to date. Updates can resolve compatibility problems. If the wireless signal is weak, try moving the router or use Ethernet for a reliable link. And if all else fails, reset network settings on the TV and reconfigure. This often fixes persistent misconfigurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.